This 2026 Keystone Montana 3,915 terabytes is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, microwave, DVD player, oven, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, air conditioning, external shower, awning, LP detector, spare tire kit, and 70 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features mid-kitchen, 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Keystone Montana 3,915 terabytes is 15,570 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.